Hello, teacher. The wishes in my life. Present be Tania Pamela Sun. My personal life. My name is Tania Pamela Zuniga Ramirez. I am 24 years old. I am a student of Chile Education. I have several dreams and goals that with good help each of those proposed goals will come true. My personal dreams. I wish to finish my university degree. I wish to buy a house. I wish I had a late model car. I wish to continue specializing in the area with children with disabilities. I wish to start and have my own microbusiness. Goals at work. I wish to work permanently in a school. I wish I had good friendships with my colleagues. Family goals. I wish to travel to Jerusalem with my family. I wish I could buy my parents a big house. I wish to supplement all the income of the family. I wish my family added should frequent. Thank you.